guys, this is Katja with Creative Image Studio. Today I am creating a card together with you all. That is, you can watch me making one, and the base that I am using is a card and envelope that I bought as is. So this is the envelope and this is the card that comes along with it, and you can buy these I think at all of your local craft stores. And this does not have to be expensive at all. You can of course cut yourself a card from a piece of cardstock and just fold it in half. And I am using 2 paper pads by Studio Light this time. I have shown you these before. So I'm doing many spring projects, of course, since it is springtime. And my theme will be a birthday card, and this card will go to Anja. Hi Anja. Sometimes I don't do anything except the front, which is a tip, by the way. If you are in a hurry, you might do an elaborate front and then leave the card as is. So that will be less work, and yet you will still be sending out a nice card. Meanwhile, I have found the 2 papers I'm going to use on the front of the card. This will be the background, so a nice spring yellow or Easter yellow. And this will be the second layer. And I was thinking to use a die set. This is a die set by Crealis. So I'm going to do, I think, 6 squares. Let me see if that will fit. Yeah, that should fit. So 6 squares. I'm going to die cut that. So what I've done now is I decided to also emboss all of these papers. So I used this embossing stencil by Lin and Lean, and then I used both the embossing and the debossing way. So this is embossed, so there's some roses here, and on these pieces of paper I have done it exactly the other way around, so like this. So then, well, other things are highlighted in the pattern. So just played around a bit with that, and I did that not just because it's nice, but also because it adds a little bit of dimension, because I cannot use a whole lot of bulk because of this envelope. But this is a way to lift the paper anyway, a little bit. And I might not even glue the corners down, so it will pop up like this. So this is what I think I'm gonna do. So now the order of sticking down everything is going to be important, because there's layers upon layers upon layers. And that was the project. So here is the end result. Everything is now dry, so the stickles are dry. And I will put a nice picture at the end of this video, but you can also check my blog for more pictures and some close-ups. So check it out, guys. So let's try a close-up here. So guys, if you like this video, click like, subscribe to my channel. It really helps if you do that. So I hope to see you next time, guys, and thank you for watching. Bye bye.